Imagine if your favorite childhood console grew up and became the most productive tool on your desk. This massive slab of nostalgia isn't just a pretty face. It is a full-sized mechanical beast that might just be the ultimate desktop upgrade for anyone who misses the golden age of gaming. The 8BitDo Retro 108 takes that iconic N edition aesthetic and stretches it out into a glorious 108-key layout that finally includes a dedicated numpad and essential function shortcuts. It feels like a love letter to the 80s, but the performance is strictly modern. Underneath those beautiful dye-sublimation PBT keycaps, you will find Kyle Bock's white V2 switches that provide a crisp, clicky feedback that is incredibly addictive to type on. The MDA-like height of the caps feels natural under the fingers, making those long programming sessions or marathon gaming nights much more comfortable than a standard flat board. What really sets this apart is the sheer versatility. You get triple mode connectivity, so switching between a fast 2.4G dongle, stable Bluetooth, or a reliable USB-C cable is seamless across Windows and Android devices. The hot-swappable PCB is a massive win for enthusiasts, meaning you are never locked into one feel. If you want to swap those clicky switches for something linear or tactile later on, the door is wide open. One of the coolest touches is the fast-mapping programmable buttons. Being able to map macros on the fly without even opening software is a huge boost for workflow efficiency. Of course, if you want to dive deep into customization, the 8BitDo Ultimate software is there to tweak every little detail. It is heavy, it is sturdy, and it brings a sense of personality to a workspace that most modern keyboards just cannot match. Whether you are crunching numbers or hitting high scores, it handles everything with zero lag thanks to the full N-key rollover support. It is rare to find a keyboard that balances this much style with genuine, high-end hardware. This is a masterclass in retro modern design that proves you really can have it all in one powerful package.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.